What's going on, world? Thank you so much for tuning back in to another one of my videos. In today's video, we're going to look at what $1,000 of Dogecoin would get you in today's market and see what would happen if it were to hit its all-time high in this upcoming bull cycle. And a couple things to keep in mind for this video: everything will be based on total market cap and not just price itself. So let's go ahead and just jump straight into the spreadsheet and take a look at it. So currently, Dogecoin is trading at about 0.093 cents, and our initial investment is $1,000. And for this $1,000, we would get about 10,752 shares of Doge. And like I mentioned before, everything will be based on the total market cap, which it's trading at about 16 billion market cap right now. And there's about 170 billion tokens circulating. So for our first target, if it were to go back up to its 85 billion market cap, that would put it at about 50 cents per token, which would give you a total profit of $5,376, which is only a 5.38x from where it's at right now. Now let's say you believe it could almost double what it did from the previous all-time high. That would put us at about 170 billion market cap, which would get us to that golden number of $1 per share. And that would still only be $10,752 for total profit, which is only about 10.75x from here. But now let's say you believe it could compete with a lot of the other big players like Ethereum, XRP, and Solana, and you think it could get to about $340 billion market cap. That would be about $2 per token, which would give us a total profit of $21,505 for about 21.5x return on our original investment. For those of you that are seasoned into crypto, you probably already know Dogecoin is probably not going to get you to that $1 million mark. But for those of you that are new and keep hearing the buzz of what it could potentially be, these numbers will really help you break down and put some realistic projections on what you think it could actually hit. But for fun, and for those of you who still think that Dogecoin could get you to $1 million, let's go ahead and take a look at what that would really take if it were to go back to its all-time high of $85 billion. So you can see right here, we have that target of $1 million set. And in order for this 1 million target to get hit, we would need about 2 million shares because its all-time high was 50 cents. And with all of those targets, you would need about $186,000 in order to hit that $1 million mark, which is only about a 5.4x from where it's at right now. So you can see that it would take a lot of money in order to move the markets for Dogecoin specifically. Not saying that if you're a trader, you could flip it multiple times to generate more income. But for those of you who are just holding your bags and expecting a big outcome, you may need to rethink your strategy and really see what it would really take in order to see your bags grow. I want to thank you guys for watching this video, and leave your comments down below of other videos you would like to see me do projections on. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out the links down below. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.